Are you wanting to learn how fast you can monetize a small YouTube channel in 2024 as a beginner, but all you're seeing are huge accounts getting 50,000 views in 12 hours of posting, telling you to share 5 tips to be able to blow up in 30 days, and you've tried all of that, and still there are absolute crickets? I want to welcome you to week 2 of my monetization journey. Each week, I'm going to share with you all of the ups and downs of learning how to monetize a small YouTube account as a complete beginner. Last week, we had a look at where my channel was, what we're going to do to learn to grow, and today I want to take you through exactly what's happened over the week, things I've learned, things that we're going to implement to be able to grow your channel, as well as talking to you about a few of the comments that I got on my videos, and I think the answers are going to help you be able to grow your channel as well. Hi, my name is Rochelle, and 3 years ago I quit my extremely stable engineering 9-to-5 job in the pursuit of making money online and having a little bit more lifestyle choice and lifestyle freedom. Well, my family of 5 and I just moved back to Australia after traveling the world for 2 years, and this would not have been possible if it wasn't for my online business and the digital products that I was selling. It is now time for me to add another income stream to my business, and that's going to be YouTube. So if you are looking to monetize your account, make sure you have a look at this series, and if you're wanting to get started with your own digital product business, check out the link in my description below for a freebie that's going to run you through digital products, affiliate marketing, and a workbook to help you get started. Before we dive into all of those analytics, I know that you are either here because you want to learn how to grow your own small YouTube channel, you want to learn how fast you can monetize a small channel on YouTube in 2024 as a beginner, or maybe just like me, you're a little bit nosy and you love to see the back end of exactly how other people's businesses work. I do want to share something with you, and that is the fact that unless you get started, you're never ever going to grow. And this is completely true for anything that you do in life, especially social media platforms. So this week I grew and I learned how to make this guy. Now, does it look professional and absolutely amazing? No. Did it take me over 2 hours of Googling how to do this using the programs I already had? Yes. And that's completely fine because I'm so freaking proud of this guy. There are 2 things I want you to take away from this. And the first thing is, if you never get started, you're never going to be where you want. So if you never film that first video, you never learn how to do a new graphic, you don't ever actually start growing your business, maybe you really don't want to learn that new program to be able to edit your videos, you're never going to get somewhere. And the second thing is exclusive to YouTube, and the fact that your first video is going to suck. Your 10th video is going to suck, and unless you have a lot of camera experience, there's a very good chance your 40th and 50th video is going to suck. And that's okay, because we are all learning. You are learning how to grow, you are learning how to film, you're learning how to edit, you are learning how to spend 2 hours making little graphics like this to try to make your videos more engaging. But what's more important is, I want you to ask yourself, in a year's time, do you want to be sitting in the exact same position you are now, or do you want to be able to look back and see how far you've grown? If you were trying to grow your brand new YouTube channel, or maybe you've been at it for a little while and monetizing is now something you're looking at doing, let me know in the comments. I want to know exactly where you are now and what are the goals for your channel. All right, enough with the motivational talk. Let's go and have a look at my analytics and see where we are for the week. This week's analytics, we have 891 views, 36.8 watch hours, and we got off by 34 subscribers, which is amazing, and I love every single one of you. Thank you for being here. So for the past 365 days, that 12-month period, we have 2.9 thousand watch hours, 147.1 views, so getting closer to that 4,000, still a long way to go, and 82 subscribers I've increased, which puts us at a total of 619 subscribers on the channel. So less than 400 to go till we reach that first milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Now, I'm not too worried that all of these arrows are grey and pointing down when it takes into consideration the channel from the previous year. Because my channel was dormant for 2 years, I have not posted in 2 years, I'm not worried at all about getting those arrows to point up and green for the year for at least another month or so. But in those 7 days, I'm definitely concentrating on having those views go up, all of those arrows going green. And if we have a look, I can see that all 3 of my arrows are green and all of them are over a 999% better than the previous 7 days, which should be expected since I didn't post those days and we didn't get views and nothing was happening. So I'm so interested to see what happens next week when we do actually have something to be able to compare them with. In your journey to see how fast you can monetize a small YouTube channel in 2024 as a beginner, fingers crossed you're going to start getting some comments, you're going to start being able to engage with your subscribers, followers, and people who viewed your videos in that comment section. So I wanted to share 2 interactions I had this week, which I hope will help you be able to grow and monetize your own YouTube channel. The first one I've got here, you can see, is talking about how you only need 500 subscribers and 4, however, I'm assuming they meant 4,000 watch hours, to be able to monetize on YouTube. And although they are correct, there are actually 2 separate levels of YouTube monetization. So we have fan-based monetization and brand-based monetization. For the first level, which is your fan-based monetization, you need 5,000 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours in a 12-month period. This means you can open up a section on your YouTube channel, which is a paid subscription area for memberships, where your followers can subscribe, pay a monthly fee, and get exclusive content only available there, kind of like a Patreon, but left within YouTube. And then level 2 is your brand funding, where it's not brand sponsorships in your videos, but it is where you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a 12-month period, and you can start putting ads into your videos and getting paid for it. So you get paid for the before, middle, and after ads that are on your YouTube videos. So this is actually what I'm chasing. I'm not looking for that subscription monetize section. I want to be able to make a revenue from ads playing in my videos. They're already playing now. You may have skipped one at the start or throughout this video, but I currently don't get paid for those because I haven't reached those monetization levels. So even on your brand new account, you will probably see ads being played, and unfortunately, till you reach those monetization levels, you won't get paid for those. And then comment 2 was from a Facebook post I made with the video in it, and there are a few different parts of this one that I want to concentrate on. Number 1 will be the fact that they pointed out that most of my videos are 10 minutes long. This is definitely strategic. It's not to be able to increase my watch hours. Of course, if there's more video to watch, someone might be able to watch it for longer than if the video was a minute as opposed to 10, but it's actually strategic for when it comes to ads when I get monetized. So if a video is under 8 minutes long, you cannot put ads in the middle of your video, which means the longer the video is, the more ads you can place in the middle of your video. However, if you were just 1 second under that 8-minute mark, you are unable to add any ads into your video. Although obviously I'm not getting paid for them now, when I get monetized later on, because I will and you most certainly will as well, you can actually go back and turn ads on to all of those previous videos. You won't make any ad revenue on any views that you had before you became monetized, but you know, if that video became really big in 6 months' time and absolutely blew up, and you were 2 seconds off reaching that 8-minute mark because you didn't know this, you could have lost out on thousands of dollars worth of ad revenue. Whereas if at the beginning of your channel, if your goal is to make money from ad revenue, trying to make your videos at least 8 minutes long means that you can go back, add ads, and make revenue off any new views that you get. They pointed out that they can see that I am replying to all of the comments I'm getting, and yes, I want to build a community. I want to get to know the people who view my videos. I want to get to know all of my subscribers, and the best way for me to do that, because this isn't TikTok and Instagram, is going to be replying and talking to you in those comments. So yes, if you leave a comment on any of my videos, I will 100% reply to them. And then the final thing they pointed out was that my thumbnails are recognizable. Again, this is strategic. I have made sure that I try to make myself nice and big in the thumbnails. I'm using the same fonts and the same colors, and it's bright and noticeable, because the first thing someone sees when they go to your video is going to be what your thumbnail looks like. Now, this makes it easily recognizable when YouTube is chucking videos at them, that they can see exactly which one is yours. If you do have any questions about growing on social media or want to give me any feedback at all of it is much appreciated. Please add it in the comments and I will definitely get back to you. Be sure to subscribe to get notified of my next video, which will be coming out on Thursday, and it is 4 platforms I recommend using to sell digital products online. This is going to be perfect if you've wanted to start selling digital products, but you have no idea how or where to sell them. I'm going to go through 4 platforms, and I'm going to include the platform that I specifically use and that has helped me generate income. If you found this video helpful today, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all on Thursday.